Leatherman Juice CS4. The Leatherman Juice series are more rounded in shape than the classic stainless steel series, have anodised coloured bodies and a slightly different lineup of blades. So this is the Juice CS4. On the outside we have a bradawl and needle. Next to that on the outside we have a wood saw. Let's put that one down first. On the other side of the knife we have the clip point blade. On this side of the knife we have the can opener and bottle opener, and next to that the corkscrew. Okay, and opposite that we have a really good sized pair of scissors. Open up the knife, you have the Leatherman pliers as always. In the middle we have the wire cutters and the wire strippers. On this side we have 3 flat bladed screwdrivers, a wide one, a narrow one and then a medium sized one, so good selection there. And on this side of the tool we just have one good size Phillips screwdriver. Okay, that's your Leatherman CS4, available in the Glacier Blue, or all the Leatherman juices are available in grey as a second colour. No pouch included as standard, but you can buy the LP11 belt pouch, okay, which has you don't have to thread onto your belt, it has a sprung loaded belt clip on the back, so you just put that over, okay, and then a leather pouch with popper closure. That's the Juice CS4.